Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach you business studies. So, in this video, I am going to discuss the concept of business. So, let us see what are the concepts of business. Whenever you write any answer, you should start from the introduction of the main topic. Directly concept you cannot write. And one thing you must remember, from now onwards, whatever answer you write, whether it is your business studies or ETP, you try to give two definitions at least by some authors. So have a look to this now. The question is concept of business. So as I have written here, business is a wide term through which we earn money. It includes production, purchase, sale, or exchange of goods and services. So there are some definitions given by different authors. Now have a look, how will you write? Minimum 2 I said, you can also write 3, as I have written two definitions here. The first one is according to Lewis H. Honey, and you see here, as I have written with red ink, don't use this red ink. If possible, you write this with black ink. According to Lewis H. Honey, this should be written in with the black ink, and the next as it is. Whenever you write any definition, it should be under inverted comma. So what Lewis H. Honey says, let's see. Business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. So this is one definition. You will write in this way. Instead of red ink, you use black ink. Now see the next definition. According to Peterson and Plowman, business is an activity in which different persons exchange something of value, whether goods or services, for mutual gain or profit. So this was the second definition. So in this way you can write minimum 2 or 3, maximum 3 definitions. Now coming to the main question, that the concept of business. This is also the part of the same answer. Now we are going to write the next. It includes the following activities. Now let us see what are the concept of business. What does it include? So have a look to the next page. This answer will be of 2 to 3 pages. Okay. So the first point is creating a customer. What is the concept of business? Business always tries to create a customer. See, these are just the points I have written, but you need to elaborate these points. You have to explain these points, which I am explaining right now. You can write it in your own way, in your own sentences. Just listen it carefully. See, the first point is creating a customer. So business always tries to create customers. It means they will keep good relation with the customers. They will take reasonable, the owner of the business, they will try to take reasonable cost. They will have a good relation with the customers, and they will always try to satisfy their customers so that they can make more customers. Because if they satisfy one customer, that one customer will bring 10 new customers to the shop. So the person in the business will always try to create new customers. So this was the first point. Second point is converting economic resources into goods and services. Now see, whatever investments have been done in the business, whenever the profit comes or whatever economic resources are there, it means from wherever the business gets money, they always try to convert that economic resource into goods and services. It means that they should always try to increase their business. They should try to grow. There should be a growth in the business so that business can reach to the next level. So it is also a very important concept of business, that they need to convert the economic resources into goods and services. If the goods and services increases, business will increase, and if business increases, the profit is definitely going to increase. And the third point is innovating new product. See, in the business they should always try to satisfy their customers by providing the new products, whatever the new products are available in the other shop. And not only the new products, they should also try to provide something innovative to their customers. Whichever product they are selling or whatever business they have, in the same track they should try to bring some innovative ideas and some innovative products to their customers. This should also, this is also a concept of business, so that they can be very successful in their business. And the fourth point is marketing these products. Now what happens, you see, when we bring new products in the company or in the industry or in the shop, whatever it is, so after bringing the new products or after bringing some innovative products in the company, people should know about these products. Suppose I have brought new products in the company, or I have brought some innovative things, that things should be, all those things should be known to the customers, to the, the buyers. It means marketing is also needed. Whatever product you bring, marketing is also needed for those products, so that people can come to know about this and they will come to you. So marketing those product is also a very important concept of business. So these are the 4 points I have written. You can elaborate in your own way. As I have explained, you can add your own idea, you can add your own sentences, and you can just write down this answer. I hope you have understood. Still, if you face any problem, any doubts, you can just write me your doubts. You can ask me your problems. I am going to answer all your questions. Okay? So, prepare your notes, keep working hard, and have a good day. Thank you.